Question number 426. Intention to cause death is not essential under section 300 clause. Here the clause has been asked. Options are firstly, secondly, thirdly and fourthly. Correct answer is option D, that is fourthly. In section 300 clause 4, intention to cause death is not essential. Now question 427. The plea of sudden and grave provocation under section 300 exception 1 of IPC is a, options are questions of law, question of fact, mixed question of law and fact, presumption under law. Correct answer is option B, that is question of fact. Question number 428. The case of KM Nanavati versus State of Maharashtra is related to, yes, correct answer is option D, that is grave and sudden provocation. This comes under the exception of murder. Question number 429. In the context of exception of grave and sudden provocation, which of the following is correct? Options are A. Provocation should not be voluntarily provoked by the offender. Lawful exercise of the right of private defense does not give provocation. Lawful exercise of power by a public servant in obedience to the law does not amount to provocation. All of the above. Here the correct answer is option D, all of the above. All the statements are correct statements. Question number 430. Culpable homicide is not murder if it is done under intoxication, sudden and grave provocation, irresistible impulse, all of the above. Correct answer is option B, that is sudden and grave provocation. Culpable homicide will not be murder if this was involuntary intoxication. Question number 431. Which one is incorrect? Culpable homicide does not amount to murder in certain cases of grave and sudden provocation, provided the question whether the provocation was grave and sudden is a pure question of law. The provocation was not sought by the offender. The provocation is not given by anything done in the lawful exercise of right of private defense. The provocation is not given by anything done in the obedience to law. Here the correct answer is option A, that is the question whether the provocation was grave and sudden is a pure question of law. This is incorrect because it will be the question of fact to prove whether the provocation was grave or sudden. Question number 432. Culpable homicide is not murder if it is committed. Options are when the offender is acting in anger, when the offender is acting under the spell of madness, when the consent of the victim who completed 18 years of age, with the consent of the victim who has completed 12 years of age. Correct answer is option C, with the consent of the victim who has completed 18 years of age. Culpable homicide is not murder. Question number 433. Give the correct response. An intention to kill is not always necessary to make out a case of murder. A knowledge that the natural and probable consequences of act would be death could make out a case of murder. Option C, both A and B are correct, and option D, none of the above. Here, both the statements, that is A and B, are correct responses. That's why the option C is correct option. Question number 434. A shoots Z with the intention of killing him. Z dies in consequences. A is guilty of murder, culpable homicide, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is murder. Here it was the intention to kill him. Question number 435. A appears as a witness before Z, a magistrate. Z says that he does not believe a word of A's deposition and that A has perjured himself. A is moved of sudden passion by these words and kills Z. This is grave and sudden provocation, murder, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, all of the above. Here the correct answer is murder. Question number 436. A, with intent to murder, administered a fatal dose of poison to Z. Then while Z was still alive, a stranger B, without A's knowledge, attacked Z and shot him dead. Here, what will be the correct response? Option A and B both would be guilty of murder. A would be guilty of culpable homicide and B would be guilty of murder. Option C, A would be guilty of an attempt to murder and B would be guilty of murder. This will be the correct response. A would be the guilty of an attempt to murder because he has an intention to kill but ultimately killed by B. That's why A would be guilty of an attempt to murder and B would be guilty of murder. Question number 437. A, with the intention of murdering Z, instigates B, a child below 7 years of age, to do an act which causes Z's death. B, in consequences of instigation, did the act in the absence of A, thereby causes Z's death. What offense has been committed by A? Options are no offense because A was not present at the time of murder, committed simple offense of causing hurt, committed offense of attempt to murder, committed murder. Here the correct answer will be committed murder. Question number 438. A snake charmer, while showing his play, claims to cure the snake bite. The deceased got himself a snake bite, believing on assurance of the snake charmer. The snake charmer could not cure the deceased. The snake charmer is liable for murder, cheating, may be liable for culpable homicide, liable for nothing. Correct answer is murder. He will be liable for murder. Question number 439. X drives very fast through a crowded road to catch the flight, knowing that this act in all probability may cause death. Y is killed by his vehicle. X is guilty of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, murder, grievous hurt, negligence. Correct answer is option B, that is murder. Question number 440. X knows that Y is suffering from a disease in his head and also knows that if a blow is given to Y on a head, it is likely to cause his death. That means X has a knowledge that he can cause death. X gives a fist blow to Y on his head. Y died. X will definitely be liable for murder. Question number 441. Which of the following cases is considered as locus classicus on section 300 thirdly of IPC? Options are Shivaji Sahabrao Bobde versus State of Maharashtra, Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab, Rudal Shah versus State of Bihar, none of the above. Correct answer is Virsa Singh versus State of Punjab. As I have already discussed that this is a great landmark judgment and you must read this judgment thoroughly because the question from Virsa Singh can come in exams. Question number 442. X and Y go to murder Z. X stood on a guard with a spear in hand but did not hit Z at all. Y killed Z. Options are only Y is liable for murder of Z, X and Y are liable for murder of Z, X is not liable as he did not perform overt act, D both A and C. Correct answer is option B, that is X and Y are liable for the murder of Z. Question number 443. Z strikes B. B is by this provocation excited to violent rage. A bystander intending to take advantage of B's rage and cause him to kill Z puts a knife into B's hand for that purpose. B kills Z with a knife. What offense A is guilty of? Options are culpable homicide not amounting to murder, abetting culpable homicide, attempt to murder, murder. Here the correct answer is option D, that is murder. Question number 444. A placed a bomb in a medical store and gave the people inside 3 minutes to get out of before the bomb exploded. B, an arthritic patient, failed to escape and was killed. A is liable for murder, culpable homicide, causing death by negligence, causing death by gross negligence. Correct answer is murder. Question number 445. C. Under the influence of passion, excited by a provocation given by A, intentionally kills A child named B. C has committed the offense of, options are murder, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, not committed any offense because he kills B due to provocation, causes the death of B by doing rash negligent act not amounting to culpable homicide. Here the correct answer is option A, that is murder. Question number 446. A, without any excuses, fires a loaded cannon into a crowd of persons and kills one of them. Although he may not have premeditated design to kill any particular individual, A committed the offense of section 299, section 300, section 304, section 304A. Correct answer is section 300. Question number 447. B intentionally to cause B's death partly by illegally omitting to give B food and partly by beating A. A has committed the offense of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, murder, grievous hurt, hurt. Correct answer is murder. Question number 448. S. A wounded soldier requests his commander Y to shoot him in order to relieve him from pain. The latter shoots him to death. X is guilty of murder, culpable homicide not amounting to murder, no offense, none of the above. Here the correct answer is B, that is culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Question number 449. Give the correct response. All murders are culpable homicide but not vice versa. All culpable homicides are murders. A murder can never be culpable homicide, none of the above. Here the correct answer is A, that is all murders are culpable homicide but not vice versa. All culpable homicides are not murder but all murders are culpable homicide. Question number 450. The salient feature required to be considered to assess the defense of grave provocation within the meaning of IPC is it can only be by words spoken and not otherwise. The mental background created by previous act of the victim cannot be seen considered in any circumstances. Whether a reasonable man belonging to same class of society as the accused placed in a same situation would be so provoked to lose his self-control need to be considered. Applicable only if the accused has a scope for premeditation and calculation. In question number 450, the correct answer is option C, that is whether a reasonable man belonging to same class of society as the accused placed in same situation would be so provoked to lose his self-control need to be considered.